Hello everyone and a warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have brought your delicious sugar-free fiber-rich sweet treats. It's a super healthy and very easy to make. So let's see how we can prepare this. First let's chop our nuts. First take half a cup of cashew and chop them into small pieces. Next, chop half a cup of almond into small pieces. Then chop a quarter cup of pistachio into small pieces. Also chop half a cup of walnut into small pieces. Finally chop half a cup of peanut into small pieces. Place a pan on the stove. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add the chopped almond, cashew, walnut and pistachio. Roast this for about 2 minutes. Take them out and set aside. Use the same pan, add another 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now add the peanut and 1 cup of coconut flakes. Roast them for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, add the raisin. Mix and roast for 1 more minute. Then take them out and set aside. In the same pan, add half a tablespoon of ghee. Add half a cup of pumpkin seed and half a cup of melon seed. Roast them for 2 minutes. Take them out and set aside. Finally, in the same pan, add half a cup of sesame seeds. No ghee needed this time. Roast for about 2 minutes. Until they are lightly golden, take them out and set aside. Now take 500 grams of dates and make sure you remove all the seeds. Put the dates into a blender and blend until you get a smooth paste. Place the pan back on the stove. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add the blended date paste on the pan. Stir and cook for about 1 minute until the paste becomes soft. Then turn off the heat. Take a large bowl, put all the roasted nuts and seeds. And add the date paste. Mix everything lightly. Add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix everything well. Finally take small portions of the mixture and shape them into a small ball like this. These dates and nut bowl absolutely delicious and a perfect choice for anyone looking for a healthy sugar-free sweet treat. You can enjoy them as a guilt-free dessert or healthy snack. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I will be back soon with another new recipe. Have a great day. Bye.